Who the fuck gon' shut shit down? Who the fuck gon' turn this down? Who the fuck you know rockin' Chanel just to lounge around? I rock the yo-yo to the store, so hold on, play around. Bitch, I'm Big Desi, I'm a boss, I don't get bossed around.
So today's video is sponsored by Kuonrada. I don't know how to pronounce this company and I don't want to say it wrong, so yeah, just look at the title. I'm gonna put the, y'all can see it. All right, so boom. So this is the wig straight out the pack. Here we're gonna comb the wig out and check for shedding. I wanted to do like an ash blonde look, so here we're gonna tone the wig with this purple shampoo that I got from I think Marshall's or TJ Maxx, and as I can see I just put that all over the wig, and yes, I left the tag on the wig. I'm using honey brown, I think that's the name of the color, Dye by Adore. I'm gonna put the exact name and everything in the description, but I'm using my little edge brush to just go in with the wig and dye the roots that color like a, y'all gonna see how it comes out. Using like the little edge brush, especially the one with the comb on the other side, helps me to like, I don't know, it gives me more control. So I like doing that method instead of waiting for the whole got to be process. This to me is just better. At this point, I had already applied my 3 layers of glue, so you're just gonna see me combing the lace and everything into the glue and checking to make sure that everything fits. Now I'm gonna go with my scissors and start to cut the lace, and once I get like closer to the hairline, I do start to cut in zigzag motions because I don't know about y'all, but for me it makes the install look more natural than cutting straight across. So now we're gonna put out the extra lace and get rid of that, so you can cut that out. Make sure you part it out though, because you don't want to be cutting hair and like, you know, when you go to do your baby hairs, it look funny, so make sure you part it out before you cut it. So after cutting the lace and making sure everything fit, I'm just going to comb everything into the glue that's. So now we're going to cut the other side of the lace, and here y'all can see how I cut in zigzag motions. Now I'm going to go in with my boho and apply a few more layers of glue because, yeah, I wanted this install to last for a bit. And it's summertime, so yeah, extra glue is definitely needed. So now we're going to start preparing the baby hairs to be swooped, or the swooping of the baby hairs. So y'all like to part of my baby hairs and then go with my hot comb and just hot comb everything back that needs to be pushed to the back, and hot comb my baby hairs forward. And yes, I burnt myself. So now I'm going to tie my elastic band around everything just to help the lace melt better while I style my hair. And I actually got this band from Amazon, so if y'all want the link, it will be in the description too. Now I'm going to be using this cheese soak in a mist from the Barbie collection. Yeah, because you know, the Barbie wear, no, but for real, I got this soak in a mist from TJ Maxx. So yeah, I actually like it too though. It works real good. As y'all can see, the hair started getting bone straight the first pass. As y'all can see, that lace is very much melted. It's giving scalp. Yeah, legally blonde. Don't play with her. No, but for real, get into it. That's perfection right there. I ain't gonna lie, I did my big one with that one. Now I'm gonna comb my baby hairs out so I don't burn my face while I go to curl them. So this part is optional. I know a lot of people like to just use mousse on their baby hairs, but I like to use Gorilla Snot and mousse because I like my baby hairs to stay. I don't really care for the fluffy look because I don't really like doing all that touching up every day. So I use Gorilla Snot because Gorilla Snot, them edges will not go nowhere and it will last for a few days. So yeah, this is my routine, but y'all can use whatever works best for y'all. So here you're gonna see me using the little comb to like spread the baby hairs out so it's not like one big swoop. And as you can see, I'm brushing like the end of the baby hair back into the hair. So like I said, it's not like just one big out of place swoop, you know? This is my finished look. Bust down blonde for the barb. No, but for this is the finished look. I actually did like this hair a lot. It wasn't like most blonde hair that's like real thin and straggly or whatever, but yeah, this is the finished look. If y'all have any more videos or suggestions that y'all want to see me do, comment down below. And yeah, see y'all in my next video.